Hi, my name's Greg. I'm the broker at Property in Santa Cruz. I serve here in the Monterey Bay. Here we are in Seacliff, looking at a beautiful little single-level home that's just about a block from the beach, Seacliff State Beach. It's a great little beach community for those who haven't been here. It's nestled in between Capitola, Rio Del Mar, and Seascape is just to the south. Got a nice little downtown. Walk to the restaurants, walk over to the Safeway Shopping Center there at Rancho Del Mar. Going down to the beach is just a block away. Come on in and enjoy what we have to offer. This lovely home is a single level home. You've got the dining area in front here. Off the left, off the deck, there's a bit of an ocean view. Over here we've got the fireplace, open floor plan. Nice oak floors throughout. We have a nice kitchen peninsula over here with a solid maple top. And it's been a lovely area to eat. The kitchen's right behind. You've got a couple of bedrooms, a bathroom, and outdoor you have a really nice little covered courtyard.